Okay, I'm here. I don't know what happened with the other stream. You guys couldn't see my charts. Okay, morning. Good morning. Let's give some time that everyone is here. Morning. What a crazy market we have. The market gave back yesterday's entire move and more. So today, all I'm gonna do is wait and see how we're gonna react to yesterday's lows. Yeah, yesterday's lows and then Friday's lows. It is crazy how the market is moving lately, but very volatile. I guess it's because of war. And anything can happen overnight. It must be very fun trading overnight. Taco Tuesday, yeah. Margarita Tuesday. Margarita. Boom Boom Tuesday. I'm so ready for today. Honestly, I'm already ready for the weekend. I have great plans for the weekend, so I already want today to be, or tomorrow to be Friday. I'm so ready for the weekend. Anything else yesterday in the afternoon? You guys didn't read what I posted on my Discord yet yesterday? What I'm gonna do on the weekend, it's a secret. No, you didn't read it, what I posted on my Discord? You had the link down below for my Discord. There is where I'm gonna update everything that I do with the Futures Challenge. Oh, we have daylight saving on changing on Sunday. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Secret weekend getaway. Okay, the market is open. Din din din. But no, yeah, I didn't take any other trades because I told you guys I'm only gonna take trades that I'm gonna explain on the Discord. So the market never went to the level that I wanted to trade. And it was very frustrating yesterday because we had the right, I would say, reading of the market. I just got a fake out twice. But I think I did a good job understanding what the market was doing. I think I should have, well, it's very easy to say after the fact, but I think I should have taken trades with ES instead of NQ. NQ chopped me around a few times. ES was very, very clean. But I'm glad that we got the right direction and really understood what the market was doing. But yeah, I took 2 red trades live here on YouTube, and I didn't take any other trades late after that. Okay, we're reacting yesterday's lows. That's a key level to watch today. Do we have data today? Let's see if we have data. We do a 10? I don't see data today, but I see three Fed speaking today at 9:55, 10:10, and 11:55. What a weird times. Why 55, 9:55, 10:10, and then 11:55? No data. Yeah, I don't have any data on my economic calendar. Whatever. Tuesday, yeah, nothing. We did have data yesterday, but nothing for today. Okay, we're reacting yesterday high here on NQ. Very, very important level to watch today. You know what I've noticed? Every time I do the futures challenge, you know what happens to my trading? Goes down. I'm red. If I don't say anything, if I don't say, hey, I'm gonna do a challenge, do it with me, whatever, my trade, it's fine. I'm profitable. Whenever I say I'm gonna do a challenge, I'm unprofitable. I lose money. I blew up accounts. I think it's because I feel the pressure of people doing the challenge with me. And I wanted to show you guys so bad how, I don't want to say easy, but it's easy to make money copy trading with multiple accounts, taking like base hits trades that I really want to show you guys how to do it, like how I do it like consistently, and I'm profitable doing it. And then when I do the future challenge, I'm red. So I guess it's the pressure of having more people watching me. Also, I feel the pressure that I know a few of you guys try trading props because I'm do the futures challenge, and then yeah, I think I overthink my trades when I do the futures challenge. Don't tell us there's no pressure yet. I know. It's weird. Well, it's not weird. That's how trading it is. It is so difficult psychologically. Like reading charts is not that hard. But the pressure of becoming profitable, or the pressure that we put into ourselves to make money, is something else. Should I do that? Tell you guys after the fact? I tried doing the challenge like 3 times. The first time, I ended the challenge green. I was able to apply for payments. I got my profits. But the first like week, I almost blew up all the accounts, and I know people that were following me and they were trading with bigger size that I was using. They blew up the account in like 2 days or 3 days. That was the first one. The second challenge, I tried to do it on December, but I stopped because December price action was extremely choppy. So I said like the first week of December, I canceled the challenge. You know what happened right after? I made so much money the next 2 weeks trading December. Right when I say, okay, I'm not gonna do the challenge anymore. And then this is the third time I do the challenge, and we have a red day yesterday. It's just one red day, but still it's bigger than I wanted. For yeah, I'm down like a little bit over 600 per account on the 5 TPT accounts and 5 TradeOFI accounts. That's 600. It's too much for a 25k account. But again, I do not recommend the 25k accounts. I think the 50k accounts are the best accounts to use in props. I just wanted to challenge even more myself because if 25k accounts are kind of difficult psychologically, because you need to start trading those like baby accounts. Like, to build a buffer on a 25k account, it's all about small size and a lot of patience. Oh, today I added, well, last night I added the 20 Apex accounts. So today I'll be trading with 30 accounts, 5 TPT, 5 TradeOFI, and 20 Apex. No, I got, okay, so I got a answer from Apex, and they told me because, so now with the new rules, you need to pick your eval. Like, you need to pick what type of account you want to use, end of the day drawdown or intraday drawdown, when you buy the eval, because those evals that I passed were the old ones. When I wanted to pass them to PA, I couldn't choose for the new accounts. So these 20 accounts that I'm gonna be trading with are old accounts. Like, the new rules don't apply to those accounts, to these accounts that I'm gonna use today. What kind of buffer? You need to make a buffer to first. So if you read the rules for every single prop, you need to make a buffer, and then above that buffer is when you can apply for payments. Yeah, that's good that those accounts don't apply the new rules because of the payment cap, but also the 30% drawdown limit, it's annoying. And also I like the 50% consistency rule on the new accounts. And I have the 25k. I have 25k accounts. 25k accounts. So the cap for the 25k accounts are $120,000 in total with 20 accounts, which is, it's not bad. It's 6 payments, but who takes 6 payments on any prop? Like, straight 6 payments. Most of the time we blow up the accounts before getting to payment number 6. But we'll see. We'll see how this goes. For now, I need to trade even smaller right now because I already have a small drawdown on the TBT and Tradeify accounts because of the loser trades that I took yesterday. Really not. Anyone took that reaction on NQ? Previous Halos reactions? The 600 reaction? That was really, really good. Spy couldn't even retest previous day's low. Passing evils, I just go pretty much all in. Not all in. If it is the 25k account, I don't go all in because, well, when Apex had the intraday drawdown, blowing up 25k accounts, evals accounts, it's so easy with that. But now with the end of the day drawdown, you just need like a couple days, like 2 or 3 days, and pass those evals. There's nothing different from regular funded accounts to evals, how to trade them. You just gotta go for good setups, and that's it. Like to pass a 50k account, 50k eval, I wait for a good setup and I go heavy in size. Like I take 5 minis. Because I don't like wasting my time with evals. But that's me. Okay, so we have NQ a little stronger than ES. NQ showing clear reaction of previous day's low. That was a very, very clean reaction of yesterday's low on NQ. Anyone got the new Apex account? I think Apex now with these accounts are like the gold. And it was a much needed change of their rules. I knew they were gonna change things because I knew people were stop using it Apex because of those freaking rules that they had before, the old ones. And now there's so much competition that is no reason other than copy trading 20 accounts. You had no reason to be using Apex before. Now I think there's no reason for anyone that is trading props to not have Apex accounts, to not have 20 Apex accounts. Yeah. I don't think, like, if you're trading props with these new rules, like, why not use Apex? Literally, instead of having, like, three different props, just buy the 20 Apex accounts with the end of the day drawdown. A little bit more expensive, like $9 more expensive than others. I think most of accounts on other props are 90 bucks, 95 bucks. With Apex end of the day drawdown now it's 99, I think so definitely worth trying it. What is the difference between end of the day drawdown and the other option? The other option is intraday drawdown. That's how Apex was before. And also they added daily drawdown limit. So basically, if you lose $1,000, obviously it depends of what account size you're using. But if you lose $1,000, you're done trading for the day. So that way you don't blow up your account in one day. You can blow up your account in 2 days, but not in one. Another beautiful Enki reaction. Yeah, the daily profits for the 50k account is a little bit higher than before. It's $250. Before I think it was $100 or $50. Not quite sure, but yeah. It's $250 for the 50k account and $100 for the 25k account. It was 50, yeah. That's a big difference. You made money on that last reaction? Yeah, that reaction was extremely clean. Yeah, we got 1, 2, 4 reactions there. But you know what I don't like? I don't like that we keep having reactions, but we're still holding. Why not having continuation to the downside? Is TPT still better because you can withdraw on the first day? I don't think it's better. It's just another option that you can take advantage of. With Tradeify Select and TPT, yes, you can draw down daily your profits after building the buffer. It's just different. But I honestly don't care if I can draw down my profits daily or every 5 days. But it's a good option to be able to do it daily. And that's what I think is a good option, to have different type of props. Like if you use Apex is the one that you want to use to make like small trades, kind of base hits trades, but you could be trading with 20 accounts. That's the theme for Apex, right? The theme for TPT and Tradeify is that you can withdraw daily. So you can have all three and kind of use all three, and then okay, so if I make enough money that I can withdraw today on Tradeify Select accounts or TPT, that's awesome. I need to wait, I need to trade for 5 days on Apex, but most likely it's gonna be a bigger payout because I'm copy trading with 20 accounts instead of 5 accounts, which is the max number of accounts you can copy trade with TPT and Tradeify. for me, it is hard to make 250. My daily profit's only 100 before. Okay, so the way that I see props, I don't really pay attention much. I don't pay much attention to rules. All I do is just go for good setups. That's it. Like, if I break a rule and when I apply for payment gets denied, it doesn't matter to me because that's buffer that I'm adding to my P&L, right? I'll try it again next week, or the next time I apply for payment, or next time I'm planning to apply for payment, right? So the good thing is, like, if you cannot follow the rules, obviously, if you cannot follow the rules ever, like, obviously you need to adjust your trading. But if it is just once, twice, that's fine. You still have that money or that P&L in your account. Okay, so we have ES holding pre-market low, Russell rejecting support. The Russell is very weak. IWM is very, very weak. If we have the market ESNQ dying, the Russell is just gonna die even more because keeps rejecting the VWAP. It's rejecting the 255 255.50 resistance. Well, support now is acting as resistance. It has a very clean downtrend. I don't like how NQ just keeps holding here. Like, keeps reacting, but it's not giving us a downside continuation. Just very choppy. Yes, I'm watching this morning low support. So the way that I see now with this Apex change of rules is you have a lot of options, and I will say 3 main options. Pick the one that is giving you more accounts, that you're able to copy trade with more accounts, and that will be Apex. And then you have the option to pick one that it's allowing you to apply for payments daily, and then you have Tradeify that allows you to buy straight to funded accounts. Each one has their own rules, cons and pros, but you have all options. So if I were new trading props, what I will do is I buy one, the easiest one. I will say the select account on Tradeify. Well, no, I will say now it's Apex, any Apex, end of the day drawdown. And then build that one up, apply, get your money back, like applying for payment, get your money back, and then use that money to buy more accounts. And then it's just a cycle. Keep using that money to buy more accounts and have more options. I kind of like this ES hold here. But I'm gonna wait a little bit. I don't like the 30 minutes candles on NQ and ES. Morning, morning. Yes, also has a very clear head and shoulder. I don't really trade based on head and shoulders. I don't think it's a um straight up like thing to trade. I don't know. I don't love trading head and shoulders. But if these head and shoulders work out, the idea will be wait for a break of morning slow, and then a retest, and then we play the downside continuation. Bullock Knox? No, never. I never tried it, that one. Never used it. Yeah, I really want to see, yes, breaking this support. Can it do it? You could also very easily hold here and then retest these levels and maybe go even higher to fill the gap, the overnight gap. We'll see. Yeah, look at that bounce. Nvidia is holding very, very good. I want to see it holding 180. Kind of looks like it's flagging, holding support. I'm sorry, holding the VWAP as support. Yikes. That's an ugly candlestick. Ugly reaction candlestick. NQ is pretty choppy. Apple is a little bit weak. IWM keeps rejecting resistance and the VWAP. Yeah, what a fake out this candle is. Ugly fake out there. Yeah, to trade the downside, I need EF to break this level. Like, I need a clear rejection candle, but under this level. So far, it's reacting, but it's still holding at the same time. Still holding. Anyone playing IWM reaction? Looks beautiful reaction of support. Beautiful reaction of VWAP. Definitely weaker than ES and NQ. Looking pretty good so far for more downside. You're shorting SPY and long the dollar. Yeah, I want to short SPY, but first I needed to break support. Because what I'm thinking is it could also just hold here because it had a very big move to the downside overnight. So it could need a strong bounce and then a rejection. Just keeps holding morning low here. Yeah, look at those bounces. Definitely not an easy price action to trade. Morning. How's the future challenge going? We'll see. Second day. But if you want to know how it's going, updates are posted on my Discord. And it's free, you don't need to pay for that. Market is still looking weak, but it's not giving up support. I bought a Rubik's Cube to hold me with stress for a while. I'm bored waiting for something to play out. I can just play with my hands here. I need to learn how to solve this. So while I'm waiting, I'm just twisting it around. I'll figure it out how to do this. And show you guys on the next stream. Tomorrow, maybe? By the end of the week, I'll figure it out. Stresses you out more? Yeah, ES is not giving up that level. It's putting on a fight there. Remove the sticker and match the colors. That's funny. Have you guys seen the kids that do it like in 5 seconds? They're so fast. Guys, I kind of like this hold on ES. Okay, or not. Use stop order play beforehand for some kind of price action. I don't know what you're asking. Yeah, I'll figure it out how to do it. I'll be watching some YouTube tutorials later today. Okay. Yeah, yes, just keeps holding here. Should we try a long here on ES? Oh, too late. Why do I like the hold? Because, like I said before, I think we could see a strong bounce here because the market, look at that. The market's kind of tired of the gap down, the overnight move to the downside. So sometimes when you have huge move overnight, like let's just say to the downside, you have a bounce in the morning. Also, NQ is just holding, it's not doing anything. But this price action, it's ugly. I kind of want to wait and see how the 30-minute candle is going to close here on ES. We're not having a continuation to the downside. We are just chopping around holding support. Do I ever scalp the opening candle? No. No. I don't. It's very, very weird if I trade the first few minutes of the market open. But that's just me. It doesn't work for me. I tried it. Every time I tried it, I end up losing money. Yeah, price actions. Very, very, very bad. Thank you. Definitely a little bit bearish here, downtrend, but it's not giving us continuation to either side. So, and look at these ugly long wicks at the top. So that means it's reacting, but at the same time it's holding. ES keeps holding this support. I kind of want to try it, but I don't trust that hold. IWM still looking bearish, keeps reacting, resistance under the VWAP. Okay, is this time for real? Is this time we're gonna see a break of support, a clear one? How do I set up my charts like that? These charts is TradingView. I have it divided in 4. And I have it saved. This is, yeah. This layout it's saved, and then I just move this here so you guys can see better this price action. And I have here the 30-minute time frame, here the 5. Okay, we're breaking down. Kind of, maybe, we'll see. Okay, I want to see like a strong bearish candle here. So the next one could give us a little bounce, and we can play reactions. I feel like I've been here forever waiting for something. Okay. Finally, we have ES breaking down. I want to see this candle closing like that, and the next one giving me a little bounce. So we can have something like this. And what would be my next support? Let's see. It's gonna be this one here. Yeah, finally. Now I need a bounce here. Could it just drop without a bounce? Yes, it could. Definitely could. But if that happens, I'm not gonna have an entry. Anyone took that IWM reaction? It's been extremely clean all morning. Okay, no entries for me on ES. Looks like I missed the downtrend. This down move. You took the Enki reaction? Yeah. That Enki reaction was extremely clean. Okay, let's see how Enki is gonna react here at morning low. I think we still can have a bounce there on ES. Bounce and reaction. Or maybe not. Nice. Thank you. Hold there. Hola. Hola, Andy. Come on, ES, give me a bounce. Tesla? Let's see. I have alerts there. 370. Yeah, I'm waiting for a 370 on Tesla. Yes. Still very far from there, from 370. But yeah, I'm waiting for that level. Well, no bounce, no trade for me. I'm gonna be patient here and see. Maybe later we have a bounce here. Yeah, I think I'm overthinking my trades because I really like this reaction. I wanted to trade a bounce here. I think I'm overthinking my trades because I'm doing the futures challenge. But also, there's nothing wrong practicing patience. Being able to watch the market move and not taking any trades, I think that's another level of patience. And that's exactly why I decided to make this futures challenge with 25k accounts. I wanted to put my patience even more um, in the line with this challenge. Whoa, okay. What was that? Hmm, that was scary. Yeah, I think we still can have that ES retest, like break and retest that I want to see. Maybe it's gonna take the entire morning, who knows? Or maybe we have like a huge, like if we have a huge candle here and retest this level, even if it goes to my level, it's gonna be very difficult for me to take that short. If we have like engulfing bullish candle. Because one, it's a bullish engulfing candle. That means most likely it's gonna change. We're gonna change direction. Two, I don't like this type of price action. Like that type of price action is the price action that if you're trading with a bigger size, most likely you're gonna blow up your account or you're gonna have a big red day. Maybe big green day, who knows? But it's very risky. So why are we having this huge bounce here? You wish you held more of your short. Now look at this. I don't know about that. Give me, go a little bit higher. Okay, yeah, I'm going with one contract. Um, very small size. I want to see ES like under this level here. This is what I'm looking for this trade. I went with a very small size. I'm giving it a bigger room for the stop loss, but I'm also looking for a bigger move to the downside. If it goes a little bit higher, I might add another one, but with a stop loss above this candle. So one, it's gonna have a stop loss higher, and the other one, it's gonna have stop loss these candles highs. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, I want to see a reaction there. Okay. Now the problem is that NQ is holding pre-market low. Oh no, I bought another one instead of selling the one that I was holding. Well, we'll see. I want to see ES reacting here. I mean, this is an A+ setup trade, but it can definitely not work out because the market is crazy choppy, very bouncy. but I do like this trade a lot. This is a clean break and retest of previous support. Now hopefully it's gonna act as resistance. Can it do it? Even if it doesn't work out, it definitely, this is a trade that I take over and over again. We have SPY VWAP kind of around here, so you can definitely try to go and retest the VWAP. Hopefully not. I don't like this. National Pancake Day. Come on, just reject already. Go lower. Don't stop me out of this trade. I'm telling you guys, every time I do the futures challenge, it doesn't work. Can we break the futures challenge cursed? Okay. Okay, I like that reaction. Too much pressure. Yeah. I feel like we're gonna have a big candle that it's gonna stop me out, only to keep going lower. Just like yesterday. Yesterday I had the right trend, but I kept getting fake out or stop out. Okay, this is looking better. Can we have continuation to the downside, please? Okay. Way better now. Okay. Come on, keep going lower. Nice rejection there. You think you like futures more than options? I definitely like futures more than options. I think options is great for swing trading. Oh yeah, thank you. Like the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel also. Okay. Yes. Thank you. That's what I want to see. Okay. Hmm. I definitely like this weakness here. But I don't know. I have a feeling that we're gonna get a FU candle. Hopefully not. Either way, I like my trade. No matter what happens. Look at the FU candle. What's my price target? You guys have it here. Okay. We're looking way better now. I like those clear rejections. I think we need a more hyper music. Let's see. Come on, market, just die already. I think I'm very patient for when I'm waiting for a trade. I'm not patient when I'm in a trade. I need to work on that. Okay, so far we're looking good. I like this trade. I like it. I like my trade a lot. Yeah, and copy trading with 30 accounts. Okay, finally. Let's see if we can get today's lows. You want to trade for 3 hours and 54 minutes? Yeah. I have no problem swing trading. Whenever I'm looking, whenever I enter a swing trade, I literally just buy and put alerts at near my stop loss and near my PTs, and then I just never check the chart, never check my position. But when I'm day trading, it's different. Bro, just die already. Can we have a continuation to the downside, please? Yikes. I don't like this NQ hold. Well, ES so far keeps rejecting pre-market low. That's good. And as long as it keeps doing that, I'm gonna stay in my trade. Okay. Yeah, I like this trade. The 30-minute candles are looking bearish. Really nice reaction there. So far, we're looking kinda good. Nvidia is weak, Apple is weak. IWM keeps reacting resistance and the VWAP. Let's see what Microsoft is doing. Oh, Microsoft is holding very, very good. Meta kinda holding also. Amazon also holding. Okay, so we have some tech companies holding very, very good. Don't have option indicate one. Yeah, you're right. Now continuation to the downside. We have NQ holding pre-market low. I don't know if it's gonna work out. Looks like it's gonna stop me out, but we'll see. I think if ES hold this resistance and support, we're gonna have a big rip for the rest of the day. If can hold it as support. Ay. I just want to break the futures challenge curse. Oh well. I tried. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna stop me out. The 30-minute candle is doing higher highs. I don't like this. Look at the FU candle. I hate this. Okay, I'm out of this trade. What a fake out. Is a future challenge ever gonna work? Hmm. Mm-hmm. I told you I was gonna get a few candle. I'm gonna get more coffee and I'll be back. Okay. What is this? Did we get news? What just happened? Yeah, break and retest to the upside now. Yes. Yes. This is insane. Oh yeah, we got war news. Okay, awesome. The market makers watch my stream. Ah, that's funny. Bro. I had a feeling the market it was eager to bounce. Do the opposite of, yeah, like every time I do the futures challenge, don't follow me. If I don't say that I'm gonna do the futures challenge, I'm green of the day. If I'm doing the futures challenge, I'm red and I blow up the accounts. So far, they're not blown, but the TPT and Tradeify accounts are kind of close to getting blown. This is just not working. The other day I was watching this guy on YouTube and he was screaming ridiculous, and I feel like doing that. This is ridiculous. Hmm. Mm. It's 11:11. Make a wish. Thank you guys. I do appreciate you guys being here, even though I'm losing money. Hmm. Yeah, Microsoft looks pretty good. I in a Microsoft swing trade. I also really like how Amazon is looking. Amazon has been holding the 203 level, 202 all morning, and it has a gap above. It has a bunch of gaps above Amazon. Market makers punching. It's like a punching bag, or what is it? Yeah, this is why trading is so difficult. I'm gonna close the stream and then go cry a little bit. And then I'm gonna go work out. Like a punching bag, but it's a guy, shape of a man. That's funny. Okay, so we had downtrend, got broken. We're not getting any pullbacks to play the upside continuation. I guess I need to wait and see how we're gonna react to Friday, to yesterday's lows again. Yeah, I'm gonna go cry and then break my fast and then go to the gym and cry a little bit more because today is booty day. If Nvidia breaks 180, it's gonna rip, and NQ is gonna follow. Will you long these on a pullback if we hold on a green 30-minute candle? Yeah, that's exactly what I have here. These are crazy bullish 30-minute candles. I think we can long if we have a pullback here, or we can wait and see if we break these, or we're gonna reject here. I'd be very careful and scared of playing any reaction here, to be honest. Damn, look at that move on IWM. Well, everything looks pretty much the same. IWM, ES, NQ. I'm kind of tired that the futures challenge never works. Well, the first time it did, but it also... the first week was extremely bad. Yeah, I definitely need the weekend right now. Am I not waiting for a gap fill to the upside? I don't know what you mean if I'm not waiting for that. Oh no, I have over 500 bucks on drawdown on the accounts that I used yesterday, so we're good. Going to the pool after this with my margarita? I should do that. But it's kind of cloudy here in Miami today. So we played NQ yesterday and it was extremely choppy. Today I decided to play ES and now NQ is very clean and ES is choppy. Good to know. How long does it take a 50k account to pass? That's gonna depend on you. It's like how long does it take you to make 100 bucks? That's gonna depend on you. Everyone is different. Nobody can tell you how long you're gonna take to pass an eval. Just like nobody can tell you how long it's gonna take you to be profitable when trading. That depends on you. It takes longer to pass than it does to blow up. Yeah. For me, I pass evals in 1 day. But I don't trade evals like I trade funded accounts. It's completely different for me. And I don't like wasting time with evals. But that also means most likely you're gonna blow evals. A couple of evals if you're trying to pass them in 1 day. So that's gonna depend on you. That I think that's very individual. Do we have a reaction here? Another one. You can pass evals in 1 day with Apex. I can't wait for the weekend. And we do a 1 day pass eval challenge. No. Have you, like, look how the challenge is going. Also, I've already passed evals live with FOMC. Okay, let's see if NQ is gonna hold this resistance support, and that will be another trade, and I'll be done with today. This is not bueno for me. It's giving me too much stress. The daily candle on SPY is crazy bullish. Yeah, FOMC is for the rubber band trade, yes. We have another reaction here. Try enter another short. No, thank you. I am not. I don't like. I don't want to go short this market. Can it work? But maybe it works again. But yeah, look at this huge move. Look at this crazy bullish move. Look at the 30-minute candles. I don't know. I don't know. We have Nvidia reacting 180 again. Apple is looking weak again. And Amazon is holding very nicely. I think Microsoft also needs to break 400. 402, I will say. Let's see what SMH is doing. Pretty much flat, but it looks just like NQ. The problem that I have with the reactions today is like reactions are extremely slow. Like that is telling you the market doesn't want to go lower. Even if it's moving lower, look at this reaction here. Yeah, it gave us a very clear reaction and kept going down. But look at the candlesticks. Their candlesticks are super choppy. Like the price action on the way down, it's extremely choppy. And look at the move to the upside. Very strong. That is bullish. Long in then. Why do I need to take a trade? Like what? Why you guys want me to take a trade? Trading is not, oh, go short. You don't like the short? Well, go long. No, that is not trading. At least that's not how you are profitable at trading. Wasn't you want me to take a margarita? Yeah, me too. It's early for that, but yeah. Oh, it's 11:30. They want entertainment. I'm not good for that. Well, maybe blowing up accounts. Some people like watching other people lose. I watch myself lose all the time. Ah. You guys are funny. What happens? You fail the challenge for funded accounts? Do you own that money? No, that's why we use props. We don't own no one's money. If we lose the money that we pay for the account, and that's it. You don't own anyone's money. If you pay, let's just say $100 for the account, you blow up the account, you lose $100, and that's it. That's the benefits of using props. So how the hell do make money if I'm sure plenty of people are blowing up accounts first or making within exactly. So they make money off of people paying for an account and then blowing up and then paying again for an account and then blow up that account and over again. You know, Apex makes between 14 and 25 millions of dollars monthly only based on people blowing up accounts. Guys, you can pass evals however you want. You can take a month to pass an eval, or you can take 1 day, 5 seconds, up to you. Or you can just go to Tradeify and buy straight to funded accounts, so you don't have to pay, you don't have to trade evals. Up to you. We have a lot of options. Just remember to use ADR coupon code. I like this NQ hold. Me like it a lot. I like this candlestick here. We'll see. Yeah, I'm in. Okay, this is the last trade of the stream. Stop loss is here. I wanna see if we're gonna have the gap fill above, maybe. Let's see, we have this entire gap. We definitely have a lot of resistance here. And we have resistance here also. So I'm gonna look for a move to here. Oh, it looks like it's gonna stop me out. Okay. Hey Rosie, love you. Is your Discord free? It depends what you want to see on my Discord. The Futures Challenge, yeah, is free. End of the day drawdown is the easiest one. Where am I from? Venezuela. I don't have a bias. I don't come, most of the time I don't come here with a bias. But I was looking, I was definitely looking for a reaction of previous age low. I trade NQ and ES. Sometimes RTY. Keeps stopping me out whenever I buy one contract. Again? No, I don't use trend lines. That is not my strat. No ICT. Price action. Thank you. Okay, can I turn out green today, please? I feel like I'm growing gray hairs doing the challenge. I've been trading for 8 years, 9 years maybe. I think 8 years. Go! Fly! Give me some money! Okay, so NQ is looking pretty good, but now what's the problem that we have? Same problem that we had on the way down. We have now ES about to hit resistance. Bro, finally a good trade. Nice, I'm selling one. Finally! Watch out NVIDIA 180. If NVIDIA can hold 180, it's gonna boom boom. Yeah, that's the problem now. SPY, ES, previous A low. Yep. That's a problem now. But NQ doesn't have any clear resistance here. Like strong resistance. But we do have SPY. So what I did is I sold one. And the other one, I put my stop loss pretty much a little bit above break even. Yikes, that's an ugly reaction. I will say very clean price action. Well, not price action, like level structure on NQ. My ES levels, previous A low, previous A high, pre-market low, pre-market high. That's all you need. This is nerve-wracking. So there's two things I can do here. I can either just sell my position and then just wait for ES to do a little break and retest here so I take another trade, or just keep holding my runner with my stop loss at break even or a little bit above break even. So which one should I do? Should I just sell my position here, take my profits, wait for ES to do a break and retest there? So if my levels are pre-market low, pre-market high, previous day low, previous day high, it doesn't matter what time frame you're using. It's gonna be the same, no matter what time frame you're using. So, should I hold? Should I wait for, should I take my profits here and wait for ES to break a resistance? Kramer says, sell. So that's crazy bullish. Dun, dun, dun. So far, we're looking kind of good. I already have a stop limit. Basically, I move my stop loss higher. Yeah, got another one. I don't think there's a click that make you profitable. It's just slowly but surely adding to my good, like, I will say just sticking to my rules and not over trading. Just sticking to my rules. That's a new evil? No, those are we're doing a futures challenge with 30 funded accounts. Are you serious? I think the copy trader didn't. What? Okay, give me 1 second because I think Trade Sinker. Okay, I have three Tradeify accounts that are not in this trade. Awesome. I finally have a green trade and my 3 Tradeify accounts are not in this trade. Awesome. Maybe they're blonde. We'll see. This is like holding your breath until it hits your target. That's funny. With the new copy, with the new Apex accounts, yes. After the sixth payment, you need to wait and see if they're gonna pass you to a live account, or you're gonna have to start all over again. Yeah. Thank you. No, I'm not live with them. The live account, there's only two guys that have live accounts. The live accounts are new, like new, like new. Did I broke the curse? Not really. I'm still red for today. So far, I'm red for the week because I was red yesterday. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna be red for the week because yesterday I traded with 10 accounts. Today I'm trading with 30. Might be green for... No. If I end the day green, I might be green for the week. We'll see. Can you hold here, please, NQ? It's 12. Yeah, we need ES to break that high, that resistance level. Mm. And we have NQ holding here again. What the dog doing? What dog? It's not having nerves, it's just understanding my trade and following, for me, following my plan. We're just chopping around here, but this was resistance and now acting as support. So basically, so far, it's not breaking my stop loss. Yeah, Nvidia needs to break 180. I think if Nvidia can break 180, that's the push that NQ needs to keep going higher. No problem. Anytime. See you again tomorrow. About to pass out. So one, it's gonna work out. Either ES rejection here or NQ break and retest here. Which one is gonna win? Am I long or short? Am I in a trade? You guys can see that. See you tomorrow. Yeah, I'm leaving too. So guys, this is the trade that I'm in. This is my stop loss, my PT. I'm looking for a bounce here. Maybe go to fill part of the gap, maybe entire gap. Who knows? But yeah, we have all these as resistance. So those are gonna be my PTs. If we go higher, I'm gonna hold that Solana as the market keeps holding this little support here. I'll be posting on my Discord on the futures challenge how I end up the day, but this is the last trade I'm gonna take. So go to the futures challenge here and I'll be posting how I close the day, but I'm not gonna take any more trades. This is the last trade for me today, but I need to keep going. So yeah, I have my stop loss placed, my PTs. Also, if it hits, awesome. If it doesn't, another red day, another red trade also for the challenge. We'll see. I think the TradeOfI accounts are blown. That's why. Yeah, that's why it's not on this position. I don't know. I'll see how everything is when this trade closed. But yeah, I have a hard stop here and I hard PTs here. So we'll see. And I'm holding 3 micros. Hopefully we turn out green today. But it's over 12 o'clock. So I'll see you guys again mañana. Thank you guys for being here. Remember to like the video and subscribe. I'll see you guys again mañana. Bye.